Hey, I got the generator running. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to hear this, but we got a new condenser out front. There's a blockage in the condenser, and we had an orifice tube blockage jammed up in there. This little elbow here, the orifice tube sits in there. It's a 06 International 4300. Put a new accumulator. The thing I wanted to show you is we're cracking the water out now. It's hard to see this, but there's a bunch of steam coming out of this thing. I don't see it on the camera. Sort of. That's all vapor from the pumping of the water or the vacuum, and it cracks the liquid out. Anyway, pretty interesting.